Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term TTS. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, TTS is text to speech technology, converting written words into spoken audio. People use it when they want to listen to text instead of reading it. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. TTS first showed up in the 1960s with the development of early speech synthesis systems. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among tech users and content creators. Now let's check out how to use TTS in a sentence. Correct example 1. I used TTS to listen to my emails while driving this morning. Correct example 2. My phone's TTS feature reads out my messages perfectly. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said TTS at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using TTS right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. TTS means text-to-speech technology converting text into spoken words. It started in the 1960s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with TTS in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.